What is up guys, this is Tiro back with another video, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to flash this Pixel Experience Android 10 based ROM, which is the 26th September 2019 build on the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So let's begin. I have already downloaded this ROM and you can see the changelog and stuff over here. Yes, there is this like OK Google bug over here which the developer says if you enable OK Google or Hey Google hot word on your phone, your microphone won't be working. So I would say do not enable the Google Assistant or OK Google detection and stuff. We will see that very rare UI freeze and stuff. And if you want Magisk, here the developer says for Magisk use the latest Canary version. I can select this advanced reboot because I'm on the latest KCUF ROM. And before doing anything, make sure you have backed up everything. I don't have anything important here, so I'm not backing up. But let me tell you that you do need to back up everything before proceeding. And here is how the recovery looks like. This is the 3312 version. So first of all, you go to wipe, then advanced wipe, then select Dalvik, cache, data and system. I am not selecting the vendor, just swipe to wipe. Once you have done that, go to install, then find your Pixel Experience ROM, which is this one for me, this Pixel Experience Wide. We don't need any GApps as this is Pixel Experience, and I'm not gonna flash Magisk. So let me click on this reboot after installation is complete automatically. Now swipe to confirm flash. It says error 7. So now I'm fucked. So I just installed this TWRP 3311, which was the previous one for Pi firmware, and I'm not gonna use the 3312 anymore because it's giving me error. So let's try this recovery and see if we get the errors over here. Now let's go to install, and I already wiped the cache, Dalvik, system, data and vendor. Now let's select this Pixel Experience zip and swipe to confirm flash. So now it's flashing fine. So it was a recovery problem. So do not use that 3312 recovery, use this 3311. Now let's hit reboot system. Now you just have to wait for the time being. So finally it booted into the setup process. So let me just quickly set up this ROM. So Wi-Fi is connected. Wi-Fi should be working fine. So now it's time to set up the fingerprint. So let me try it. First one done. So looks like the fingerprint scanner is working fine over here, but I'm yet to unlock the device with that. So let me try it from here. Seems like it does unlock with the fingerprint scanner pretty fine. So finally we are booted into the home screen, and this is just I am restoring my old backup from Google, and this is how the quick toggles panel looks like. It won't look different because I was already on an Android 10 ROM, but this is how you can flash the latest Pixel Experience 10.0 beta build. And let me tell you again, do not use the latest Android 10 supported TWRP, use the older Pi firmware based TWRP, which is the 3311 or something. So I'll link it below, don't worry. Let me go into the settings first and let me show you what how is the settings looking like. Into the about section, then Android version still shows as Android 10 as you can see. Let me go back, and I'm yet to change the back gesture and stuff. Let me put the phone into silent from here, and this is how you get the volume panel over here. You can put the phone into silent and stuff from here. And the security patch is latest September 5th 2019. The play system update version 10. Stock kernel version is Illusion Pixel Experience Plus. Build date you can see it's the 26th September 2019 build. And let me go back. Let's go into the system. Now advanced. We do have a system updater over here. This is great. Let me go back into gestures, and from here we can choose this gesture navigation, and it should be working fine. Yep. The gestures does work fine, I think, right now. Let's open an app. Yeah, it does work. And the stock camera, you can see this is gonna be simple Snapdragon camera. It will work normally as you can see. This is the Snapdragon camera, so don't expect much of things over here. But I'll try to install Google camera later on. So that's how it is. Let me go into the display settings. Night light, let's test. Yes, it does work. Let me go back. We have the adaptive or auto brightness. Dark theme is there. Yes, the dark theme does work as you can see. and we have the font size, display size, and double tap to wake. Let's test the double tap to wake now. So double tap to wake does work fine too. Fingerprint scanner, yes, it's working fine. Google Assistant from here. What's the weather like?
The forecast tonight is 25 and cloudy. Due to the current humidity, it feels like it's 32.
Alright, so it does work. You don't need to unlock the device to use the Google Assistant. This is a great feature of Android 10 and the animations should be pretty fine. I'll try to review this ROM pretty soon, so do stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching this video guys, and this is how you should flash the latest Android 10 based Pixel experience ROM on this device. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, share this video with your friends if this video was actually helpful, and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. This is Tito from KTN Tech signing off for today, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.